welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share a bag review. Here for this here bag review, then I need for y'all to click on my subscribe button because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, you all, we're gonna jump straight into this here bag review. The bag that I'm here to review is the Gucci crossbody. I think this is the Ophidia line, but I'll leave it across the screen, the exact name of this hair bag, and then I also will try and link it down below for you all, just in case you want to purchase this after my review. Purchased this not too long ago, and when I tell you I love this hair bag, I didn't think I was gonna love it because, like I said, really quick story, I was back home at King of Pressure. I was at the King of Pressure mall and I tried this bag on. As soon as I tried it on, I was like, take it off, it don't look right. I don't know, maybe it was because of the fact that I wasn't able to put stuff in it, I don't know, but I didn't like the bag. Find that picture, I'll try and insert the picture somewhere in this here video, but if not, I think I may have deleted, I'm not sure, you all, but yeah, like I was saying, I did try this hair bag on and I was just like, I don't like it. All of a sudden I started watching YouTube videos, like this started popping up, and I was like, let me go and see this bag again. Long story short, I ended up purchasing the bag. And let me just tell you, I love her so much. This is why I'm doing part 2, because I ended up keeping her. A few things that I noticed about the bag. It doesn't take away from me purchasing the bag because I still love it regardless. Just wanted to get on here and share with you all things that I noticed, just in case you decide to want to purchase the bag. And then also maybe y'all can help me to be able to fix it or try to make it right. Being said, like I said, this here is a crossbody bag. It is adjustable. It on the last hole at the bottom. Now you do have a little more room to maybe put a few extra holes. Now I'm not sure if you can take this to the Gucci store and have them to put a few extra holes in it. I may look into that myself because it hangs down nice on me, and I will show you in this here video. But if I can get it just a tad bit longer, it will work perfectly for me. But if not, it's still okay. You do have a little bit of room just in case. If not, I'm not sure if you could take it to like a shoe repairman, like a shoe shop or a leather shop or something like that, to get someone to add a hole in. I'm not sure, but if y'all know anything about that, let me know. This here green and red piping that goes from the front all the way to the back of the bag. I have a lot of paper, y'all. This is receipts. This is how much I'm out at the stores, but in there. But yeah, I have a lot of receipts in here. I have TJ Maxx, the post office, Neiman Marcus. I have a Costco receipt. I have Bath and Body Works coupons, Chanel mirror in here, and you do have a 1 zipper pocket. And like I said, I always keep my Gucci cards inside of the little zipper. The unboxing, I didn't explain what I meant by it's a little thin. Like, it wasn't, I didn't mean to say like thin, like paper thin, but it's just not as thick. Like, it's not thin where it feels like it's cheap. It's just not as thick as my other Ophidia bags. And I don't know if it's because of the way it's shaped, but it's not a cheap feeling, if y'all get what I'm saying. It's kind of hard for me to explain it, you all, but I didn't really explain what I meant by that. And someone asked me, but yeah, it's not, I don't know, y'all would probably have to go to the Gucci store and feel the bag and see what I'm talking about. But here's the inside. The one thing about this bag that I did notice, and this is why I wanted to do the review, because I kind of need y'all help. I'm here on the back. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's like little fuzz balls on here. I don't know if that's the correct term for it. But I was trying to figure out what could I do to take them, like to remove them, because I did try to use the lint brush and that didn't work. So I don't know if it's like a fuzzball remover thing I can buy, like from Amazon, to take them little fuzzies off. I'm not sure if you can see them, but it's like a few of them on the bag. And I noticed like different things that I was wearing. I noticed that little situation, because as you can see on the front, it doesn't show that at all. It's just on the back. Now, it's not, like I said, it's not a deal breaker, because if y'all been following me, y'all know I had issues with color transfer, and I'd rather deal with this over color transfer, because you know that color transfer on that back that costs all that money, it just really mess things up for me. Like, I do still love the bag, but I just don't wear it as much, because I don't feel like worrying about what I'm wearing, because I do wear jeans a lot in the winter time. So I'm like, you know what, this is why I've been buying a lot of other bags, because of that incident. Because if I could have returned that backpack, I would have, and just got my money back and just stuck with, you know, darker color bags and things like so. Unfortunately, I had to keep her, so she's in my collection, and I will do another update on her. Like I said, I still love the bag. I just wish I would have gotten it in a darker color, because I love the bag so much. I'm just at this point kind of scared to wear her all the time, so I just pull her out every so often. This is why I ended up purchasing this bag, because like I said, I wanted like a everyday, a throw and go type of bag. And when I noticed this, I was just like, oh man, what is this? So again, if y'all know what I can do to remove these little fuzz balls, let me know. It's not that many, so that's why I said I'm not tripping, because as me picking them, they are coming off. But I'm sure you know, whatever I wear, it may come back. So that's why I'm looking to, you know, get something that I can use every so often. I start to see that. But besides that, you all, that's the only issue with the bag that I wanted to share with you all, just in case you purchase the bag. You already have the bag, let me know if you have experienced that on the back of your little this little here what is this green and red striping here in the back. Like I said, I don't have to worry about the front, because I would never wear this bag like this. It will always be worn like this, with this in the front. What else I wanted to say, y'all? Let me tell you, when I first saw this bag was under $1,000. Of course, I waited too long, so I didn't get that under $1,000 price for this bag. But it's, to me, I feel like it's still worth the new price, because Gucci did do a price increase, but it wasn't just recently. I forgot, because y'all know I've been dipping and dabbing in Gucci a lot. I'm really enjoying Gucci, you all, because I just bought another little pouch from Gucci, the unboxing. So I will be doing a review on that sometime soon. So I wanted to, you know, get on here and let y'all know I'm still loving her. She stayed in my collection, and I did purchase my bag. I'm not gonna say what bag, but I did purchase my bag, and I was thinking, should I keep this bag or return it, because it was at the time still in the return window. But then I was like, no, Tamika, keep the bag, because I like it. You know, I really like this bag. So I ended up keeping her, as you can see, because this is why I'm doing part 2. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some stuff in here so y'all can see how this here bag looks filled with stuff. To me, I like the way it looks when it have things in here. I wanted to tilt the camera down so y'all can see the bag. So like I said, here is my Louis Vuitton key pouch, Gucci keys, my Gucci key pouch, my Emily wallet, my AirPods, my face mask, and my cell phone. So when I tell you, I have been carrying this bag ever since I did the unboxing. I've been carrying this bag non-stop. Like, this has been my everyday bag, to the point where I haven't been able to carry my newer bag that I just got. I've been carrying her every day, you all. And all I do is zipper her up. Now, the zipper is not as smooth. It's a little rough, because if you can hear it, like, you can kind of hear the roughness. It's not like smooth like Louis Vuitton. But again, that's not a deal breaker for me, because, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you all, like, how the zipper is not really smooth. I don't know, maybe they are, maybe it's just this bag, I don't know. But like I said, it doesn't bother me. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stand up and share how it looks on my body. I did have people say that they ended up returning the bag because they felt like the bag was way too short for them. And I get it, because if y'all don't know, I'm like 5'1". It fits on me perfectly. So I can see someone taller than me having that issue with it being, you know, way too short. If you are taller than me, I don't know how that will work. Hair straps are not detachable where you can, like, you know, maybe put on a extra strap, like a what's that called? With some Louis Vuitton bags, you can add straps to them. I'm not sure if you can, but again, I could be wrong, because honey, let me tell you, YouTube will figure something out, because I saw someone put a strap on the toiletry Louis Vuittons, and I was just like, okay, how did y'all even do that? So somebody may be able to figure that out, but as of now, I don't know how you can do that. Show you how it looks on my particular body. Like I said, I like how it's up close, it's up on me, where I can get in. Like when I'm at the grocery store, like I was saying with the YSL bags, the issue I was having was, like, say I'm at the grocery store, you know, I want to pay for my stuff. You know, I'll pay for my stuff, swipe my card, put it in my purse, and keep going. Now with the smaller bags, I was struggling at the register trying to put stuff back, because you know, with the smaller bags, you got to make sure it's put back a certain way, not it wouldn't fit, and you know, trying to get out the line, and had issues with those small bags. So I feel like with this, I'm not losing out on my essentials. I'm actually able to carry everything that I need to carry. If you do stuff this bag, it will get heavy, but it's not heavy to the point where the strap is like digging into my shoulders. Show y'all a few model shots. It kind of reminds you of like a crescent. I love this bag. So happy I revisit this here particular bag, up on this bag, but this is why I'm happy I ended up purchasing the bag and bringing her home, because now I love her. Like, she's a part of my collection and she's not going anywhere. Yeah, I just wanted to get on here and share with you all. If I did mention, you do have 4 corners, and as you can see, the corners still look really good. But like I said, I just got the bag. Of course, I will do another review on this particular bag. I'm gonna probably wear this bag a little longer. Once the weather really get like a little colder, I'm gonna pull out my newer bag. So this is why I wanted to do my really quick review. You know about this here back issue, you all. I did pick the little fuzzies off, but I'm sure when I go to wear this bag again, it's probably going to show back up. So this is why I, you know, would like to purchase something that I can just use each time I see the little fuzzies. Besides that, you all, this bag, I give 2 thumbs up. I can't put the other thumb because it's holding the bag. But yeah, you, I thumbs up. If you are in the market for a Gucci that's affordable, I highly recommend this here bag. If I didn't mention, here is the inside. As you can see, it fits a lot, and this bag can hold a lot more than what I have in here. But this is all that I normally carry. I do have this here Gucci pouch. It can, no, see, yeah, I wouldn't put this in this bag. I would probably use the little small pouch that I have and throw a few lip products in there and use that as my little cosmetic pouch, because that little pouch that I just purchased, I'm not using that as a key holder. It's going to just be for my little essentials. So yeah, you all, here is the inside of the bag. That is everything as far as the bag. I just wanted to get on here and do a review, because I know lately I have been doing a lot of unboxings, and the reason why they are kind of like back to back is because of the fact that I pre-record, and what I should have done was, instead of letting them sit, I should have been pushed them out, because they are older videos. But I still feel like I wanted to upload them, because again, you never know who may be in the market for those particular bags. Returning all my YSL bags, and ended up getting this Gucci and my other bag, my newer bag that's coming. Video will be coming up soon. I got from Louis Vuitton, and I will share how I was able to get a hard to find item from Louis Vuitton. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on that particular video, because with the holidays coming up, I'm sure y'all gonna want to get those hard to find items. And I'm gonna try, and you know, y'all may already know, but I'm gonna try to plug you in on how to get hard to find items. With that being said, you all, she stayed in my collection. I love her, so I'm gonna wear her some more, and maybe in a few weeks or a few months I will get back on here and share with you all my final thoughts on the bag. And with that being said, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be what? Notified each week. That's right, y'all, each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, we will talk to you later. Bye.